Namaskara friends. Our Chief Minister Shri D.K. Shiv Kumar ji, PCC President Shri B.K. Hari Prasad ji, all our senior ministerial colleagues and legislators and MLCs and leaders of the Congress Party and friends of the media. Today is a great day in the history of Karnataka. Today is a day of victory not only for all the 5 legislative council candidates of the Congress Party, all 5 of whom, including our PCC President, won in the first round, but a new history has been written in favor of people of Karnataka. Before I dwell into this, I would like to point out to you that Shri B.K. Hari Prasad, our Honorable PCC President, Shri Shivanna B.S., our senior leader of the Congress Party, Shri Tipanna, our senior leader of the Congress Party, who also happens to be outgoing Legislative Council member, Shri P.V. Mohan, one of the most ardent, hard-working worker of the Congress Party, who is also AICC Secretary, and Shri Vinay Karthik, Treasurer of the Congress Party and a worker of the Congress Party. All 5 of them have emerged victorious in the first round of counting of the Legislative Council itself. If we look at the total, then Congress Party has polled, and its candidates have polled 11 votes more than the calculation of 140. We have 135 Congress members. We are supported by SKP. We also have the support of 2 independents. So 135 plus 1 plus 2, 138. But Congress Party has got the support of 151 legislators. That is 13 more. On the contrary, Bharatiya Janata Party, which has support of 62 plus 2, 64 legislators, ended up polling 56 first preference votes and 1 vote of BJP, according to election agents, has got rejected. Janata Dal, which has 18 members, have got 14 votes. So I want to point out to you and say, thank you to all fellow Kannadigas. Thank you to people of Karnataka. Thank you to all the Congress workers. Thank you to Congress and other legislators who decided to support the Congress candidates. In reality, while this is a victory for Shri D.K. Shiv Kumar and Shri B.K. Hari Prasad and every single legislator, Congress legislator and worker, this is a victory for people of Karnataka. This is a victory for people of Karnataka for the simple reason that the legislators of Karnataka have placed their seal of approval on the stellar and outstanding work done by Congress Party in last 3 years. The legislators of Karnataka have put their seal of approval on the Congress guarantees, traveling even beyond their party loyalty. The legislators of Karnataka have spoken in large majority to say that the politics of BJP and politics of Janata Dal, which is anti-Congress guarantees, which is anti-people of Karnataka, hereby stands rejected by their own party members. the legislators of Karnataka have got together and spoken by a huge majority to say that they are putting their stamp of approval on the welfare principles, on the principles pro-constitution, on the fight that Congress government fights for the people of Karnataka against the tyrannical rule of Modi government and its policies that continue to take away share of Karnataka and tries to suffocate our finances as also our states' rights. The legislators of Karnataka have travelled beyond their party loyalty to reject the politics of BJP, its central government as also its state unit, to say that we will not permit Modi government to stifle the rights of Karnataka. We will not permit Modi government to bulldoze over the rights of Karnataka. We will not permit Modi government as also BJP unit of Karnataka to take away, snatch or oppose the guarantees of the Congress party. Guarantees like Greh Lakshmi, which give 2,000 rupees every month in the bank account of 1 crore 22 lakh women. Guarantees of Greh Jyoti, where 1 crore 66 lakh households get 200 units electricity free. Guarantees of Shakti, where over 400 crore women have travelled free in the buses of Karnataka State Transport Corporations, all the 5 corporations. Guarantees of Annabhagya, where 4 crore 49 lakh fellow Kannadigas get free ration and grains up to 10 kg from government of Karnataka. Guarantee of Yuva Nidhi, where lakhs of youth get 3,000 rupees and 1,500 rupees for carrying on their studies as also employment. So this is a stamp of approval on the policies of Karnataka, on the guarantees of Karnataka, and legislators have spoken. Anybody who opposes Karnataka, legislators will rise above party loyalty and they will oppose them. That's what has happened to Janata Dal and BJP for their politics of negativity, for their politics of anti-Karnataka, for their politics that goes against the grain of people of Karnataka. And we thank from the core of our heart, on behalf of our Honorable Chief Minister, our PCC President, our legislators, our MLCs, our candidates and our Congress workers, each and every legislator as also each and every fellow Kannadigas.